Welcome to the Netherlands. A country where history, innovation, and everyday beauty come together. From vibrant cities filled with art and culture to charming towns shaped by canals and windmills, the Netherlands offers something for every traveler. In this video, we'll explore the most popular cities, show you what makes each one unique, and help you imagine what it's really like to experience them. Whether you're planning your next trip, or just love discovering new places. And now, we begin our journey through one of the most stunning destinations in the world. Amsterdam. A city built on water, shaped by history, and powered by creativity. Here, centuries-old canals flow quietly beside modern life. And freedom is not just a value, it's a way of living. From the moment you arrive, Amsterdam feels alive, but never rushed. Bicycles glide through narrow streets, trams pass softly in the distance, and people move with purpose, yet with ease. The city has a rhythm of its own: slow mornings, busy afternoons, and golden evenings reflected in the canals. Amsterdam's canals are more than scenery. They are the foundation of the city. Built in the 17th century, this carefully planned canal ring turned Amsterdam into a global trading power. Today, these waterways connect neighborhoods, frame historic townhouses, and create a sense of harmony between land and water. Walking along the canals feels like stepping into a living painting, one that changes with the light and the seasons. Amsterdam's architecture tells stories. Narrow canal houses lean gently toward one another, their tall windows designed to capture precious daylight. Historic facades stand beside bold modern buildings, showing how the city respects its past while welcoming the future. Amsterdam is a global cultural capital. World-class museums house masterpieces by Rembrandt, Van Gogh, and countless other artists who shaped history. Amsterdam is also known for its openness. It is a city built on tolerance, individual expression, and respect for differences. Beyond the famous landmarks, Amsterdam reveals itself in neighborhoods. Local markets, small bakeries, and quiet residential streets offer glimpses of everyday Dutch life. Whether you come for history, art, culture, or connection, Amsterdam welcomes you as you are. This is Amsterdam, a city that flows, just like its canals. Scans, a place where time seems to slow down, and the past gently whispers into the present. Just a short journey from the busy streets of Amsterdam, this peaceful village feels like stepping into a living painting of the Netherlands' history. From the very first moment you arrive, there is a sense of calm in the air. The sound of the wind, the soft movement of clouds, and the quiet rhythm of life make you pause. Standing tall against the sky are the iconic Dutch windmills, not just symbols, but storytellers. Each windmill here once played a vital role in daily life, grinding grain, pressing oil, and powering industries that shaped the nation. Surrounded by open fields, water canals, and endless skies, Scans feels peaceful in a way that's hard to describe. It's the kind of place that makes you reflect on how far the world has come, and on what we may have lost along the way. Zandschans is more than a tourist destination. It's a reminder that progress doesn't mean forgetting where we come from. It shows us that preserving the past can make the present more meaningful. Welcome to Haarlem. Just a short distance from Amsterdam, Haarlem offers a slower rhythm, a softer atmosphere, and a deeper sense of everyday Dutch life. Haarlem doesn't rush to impress. Its beauty reveals itself gradually through narrow streets, historic squares, and the steady pace of local life. Haarlem is one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands. Its history stretches back over centuries, shaped by trade, art, and quiet resilience. Once a powerful medieval city, Haarlem played an important role in the cultural and economic development of the region. Walking through Haarlem feels intimate. The city is compact, easy to explore on foot, and full of small details waiting to be noticed. One of Haarlem's greatest advantages is its location. The North Sea coast is just a short ride away. Dunes, beaches, and open landscapes offer a natural escape whenever you need it. Whether you come for history, culture, or a quieter side of the Netherlands, Haarlem welcomes you with open arms and an open pace. This is Haarlem, a city that stays with you long after you leave. The Hague. The city is the political capital of the Netherlands. It is home to the Dutch government, the Royal Palace, and many international institutions. The Hague is also a cultural capital. It is home to some of the Netherlands' finest museums. You'll find masterpieces of Dutch art, including Vermeer's Girl with a pearl earring. Large parks, tree-lined streets, and open squares give the city room to breathe. Just a short ride from the city center, The Hague meets the sea. These beaches stretches wide and open, offering fresh air, endless horizons, and a different rhythm of life. Rotterdam. A place where bold architecture rises from history, and innovation shapes everyday life. After being heavily damaged during World War II, Rotterdam chose not to rebuild what was lost, but to reimagine what could be. Here, buildings are not just structures, they are statements. The Erasmus Bridge, elegant and iconic, stretches across the Maas River like a symbol of connection and progress. The cube houses challenge gravity and imagination, proving that creativity has no limits. Markthal, with its dramatic arch and colorful ceiling, blends food, art, and architecture into one unforgettable space. Rotterdam is not just a destination, it's an experience. So if you're searching for a city that breaks the rules and embraces the future, Rotterdam is waiting for you. Kinderdijk. Located just outside Rotterdam, Kinderdijk is a small village that holds one of the greatest engineering stories ever told. As you walk along the narrow paths beside the canals, you'll hear the gentle sound of water flowing, the wind brushing past the reeds, and the slow turning of massive wooden blades above you. The windmills of Kinderdijk were built in the 18th century. Their purpose was simple, yet vital: to pump excess water away from the land and protect nearby villages from flooding. These windmills worked together as a system, controlling water levels and making life possible in a low-lying country. Some of these windmills are still operational today, and a few are even lived in by millers and their families. Whether you're a traveler seeking beauty, a photographer chasing perfect light, or someone who simply wants to slow down and breathe, Kinderdijk offers something rare. A place where the past still turns, where silence speaks, and where the Netherlands shows one of its most timeless faces. Welcome to Delft, a city where history flows as gently as the canals that shape its streets. Delft is a city of stories. It is the historic home of the Dutch royal family, giving the city a quiet dignity that can still be felt today. Delft is world famous for its handcrafted blue and white pottery that tells stories of craftsmanship, patience, and pride. There is a quiet magic in Delft, a feeling that encourages reflection, creativity, and peace. Delft is not loud or dramatic. It offers beauty in simplicity, history in silence, and comfort in calm. Leiden, a city shaped by knowledge, history, and quiet beauty. Leiden is home to the oldest university in the Netherlands, a place where scholars, thinkers, and innovators have walked these same paths since the 16th century. Graceful canals flow through the heart of the city, framed by historic houses, stone bridges, and leafy paths. Leiden carries a sense of calm intelligence. It doesn't seek attention, yet it leaves a lasting impression. Leiden is not a city of rush or noise. It is a city of depth, ideas, and quiet moments. If you're searching for a place that inspires thought and serenity, Leiden worth giving a shot. And that's a glimpse into the beauty, history, and charm of the Netherlands. From the vibrant streets of Rotterdam to the peaceful canals of Amsterdam and beyond, every city here has its own story, its own rhythm, and its own unforgettable moments. If you enjoyed this journey and want to explore more incredible destinations with me, make sure to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. And stay tuned, because there are many more epic places coming your way, each with stories, culture, and experiences you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.